Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem Kmart gift card online using your computer. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. Now let's get started with the video. Open up a web browser of your choice and in the URL box type in www.kmart.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you end up in the official website of kmart.com, go and click on the sign in button at the top right hand corner and now click on check a gift card balance button. At the top, you'll be able to see a button that says check balance and reload. Give it a click and enter your gift card number available at the back of your Kmart gift card and type in your gift card number. Make sure to enter the correct information and head over to the next field, type in your PIN code and click on I'm not a robot, verify yourself as a human being and click verify. Finally, click on check card and you'll be able to reload or redeem your gift card for Kmart.com. On the next page, if you're not signed into your account yet, you'll need to enter your credentials first, and once you're logged into your account, you'll be able to redeem your gift card for Kmart.com. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.